Here's an activity where your students can pick one to reflect on. So they can choose one of these activities to create a reflection. So the first activity is roll the dice. So right here is this roll the dice example. And if you want to see more templates, you can just click on these links and make edits or make changes, or again, see a bunch of different ideas. This was a make and take. And so this idea is actually from Nadine. And so again, here is metacognition. And students will roll a dice and then they can answer these questions. What helped you to understand? Where did you struggle? How did you overcome these challenges? So again, depending on what the student rolls, let's say for example, they roll a number 5. They're going to then answer that question. What could you have done better? So they're going to think about and reflect on what they could have done better on that project, on that activity, and then make a response based on that answer. Another thing students could have chosen is this exit ticket, which is rock, paper, scissors. This idea was from Gret. So right here is an activity from Greta, and you can see what was difficult. Students will write down what they think was difficult about that project. Then they can go in and answer what do they need to make a note of. So that would be the paper. And then the scissors is what they would want to remove. So they're going to complete this activity where students come in, and again, they can either write or they could use Kami. And if you take this activity to Kami, then students are able to come in, use audio or video to explain their responses and their ideas by using this comment feature over here. The last activity is where students are going to stop and reflect. And what they're going to do is they're going to brainstorm ideas. They can do this on a piece of paper or write on the Kami. Then students are going to make one of these choices and choose to reflect. So they're going to either do words of the wisdom. They might come in here and answer this question. This work is important to me because they might answer why they're excited to teach someone about it. And so again, they're going to use Kami, and they can use any of the tools to record their reflection. And again, they're just going to stop, pause, and kind of think about what they want to reflect on using this choice word up here.